Hi, I'm Antoinette Bester. I'm a third year SSG student, and I'm going to do a video presentation on the article by Abels, Barakat, Casey, and Luch about meeting the Sustainable Development Goals leads to lower world population growth. Now, in this article, the authors highlights the connection between the Sustainable Development Goals and the population growth. Achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and they believe it can significantly slow down the population growth. Another highlight is education as a key factor. They believe that if the education is expanded, especially for young girls and women, will lead to lower fertility rates and slower population increase. Now, with that, they feel like if young girls and young women gets educated about and about reproduction and gets access to reproductive services like contraceptives, and are educated to focus on careers and are career orientated, it will delay like planning for families, and that is how it will slow down the population growth. Another highlight is health improvement. They believe that better health care and lower child mortality also contributes to smaller families. Um, so, and one of the other highlights was they projected models by using the demographic models to show the sustainable development goals that are met, and believe that the world population by 2100 could be billions lower than if progress is slow. Another highlight was policy implications. So, in investing in education, gender equality, and health services not only help stabilize global population levels, but it will also slow down the population increase. Thank you.